nice slab of rib of beef here, and I'm gonna just put some salt and pepper on there, and then I'm gonna sear it for a bit, just to keep them flavours in, boy. Time to give it a sear. It's ready. Got the onions. I use red as well, and carrots as well, just to make a little bed for the old boy. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Couple cloves of garlic. Tomato puree in there too. Thyme. Bit of rosemary as well. Finally, some Wash Your Sister sauce. 300 ml of beef stock. Got a little bit of Pierre 42. Don't know what that is, but it is wine, so just gonna add some of that in there as well. Lovely stuff. And of course, the seared beef rib. Look at that. I'm gonna put it on high for about 5 hours, I think. Potatoes on the go for some mash and some tender stem to go with it. Let's have a little look. Oh, it's fell apart. I have this little chain that was linked on. Oh yes.
Got his dressing gown on again.
Time to... Look at this then. It's falling apart already, boy.
What's that?
Beef of rib. Yes.
Rib of beef.
Rib of beef, sorry. Oh, I've only just woke up, had a little nap, didn't I?
Yeah, nice for some. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that's looking lovely actually.
I'm just going to pull that apart then.
Get 2 forks.
Probably won't need it, son.
It looks quite fatty. A bit like us then.
Yeah. Pulled it apart. Looking nice. Shove it back in to the slow cooker. So the slow cooker's been on for 5 hours on high.
Right, that's enough video of me because I'm cock-handed.
Pardon me? Cock-handed, you mean?
No, I haven't got a cock in the hand.
Oh. This is a food channel, mate.
I meant a cock
It's not
roll.
be on about willies.
I'm not talking about willies, I was talking about cock rolls.
We've got no cock rolls in the...
The vicinity.
No.
You're a cock roll.
Alright, let's not be rude, hey. This is a food channel. It's family friendly.
Yeah.
All nice.
Looks
Does it smell of anything else other than...
It smells like beef.
My alcohol stole it.
You stole mine.
Did you have to use a chair to do that, you little human? A little bit of butter in there first. Bit of milk. Nice creamy mash, so...
Lot of
quite a
milk,
bit of
that
milk.
is.
And that's... What did you say, love?
Lot of milk.
Okay. Right, onto the heat.
Muscles out then.
What now?
No.
Oh,
Don't want to see them fat arms.
excuse me?
Just to mash it, not stir.
Do you want to do it and I record?
No.
Right, so sure.
Tender stem on the go. Did you want to season the mash?
Yes, trust the process. Just wait, you little Russia. Tiny human. Okay, let's give it a little bit of pepper. We'll go ahead there.
I've got a tiny little spoon of cat.
That is a very cute
mustard.
spoon you've got here.
He's got it on his hands, look.
Oh, that's great, isn't it, Eva?
I didn't mean to. That's all we've got left, so...
What, spoon-wise?
No, mustard-wise.
No, so we could have used another spoon, couldn't we? And not been...
No, because I wanted to get in the nooks and crannies of the
No,
thing.
she wanted to show off her
I didn't.
cat spoon.
It just fit in there around the bits and bobs. Shut up.
Summer.
What?
Summer.
Summer?
That's the
Fuck is summer?
Not here yet. Anyway, come on.
He's got my slippers on. Yeah, that looks good. I was just
Like
doing...
that, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. It's like school dinners. You're flicking it at me, you
we shouldn't
fucker.
play with our food, really. By the way, this is a great tool. I don't know if you...
Yeah, it gets all of it out of the nooks and crannies and that. Grannies.
You can actually get this on my TikTok showcase, if you would like one. I think they're about 79p. What?
I'm still recording. Do you want me to stop?
No. Right. Broccolini. I've washed my hands.
I'd hope so, you dirty bugger.
Get that straight on there like that.
Can you put mine on the side, please?
On the side. Oh, in the bowl?
Yeah, on the side of the mash.
Oh, you want it in the bowl now?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
On the side of the mash,
Well,
not
on
on
the
top.
side,
Because I'd like to.
this is the side.
I'd like to choose whether I have broccoli and
Excuse
mash
me,
all in one
excuse me,
bite.
excuse me.
Just shut up.
This is the side.
Yeah, the side of the bowl. I thought
Excuse me.
I thought you'd have a brain enough to.
A brain enough.
Shut up! You're annoying me now.
This is the side. This is a bowl.
I like to pick and choose if I want broccoli or mash. I don't like to. Just stop it.
What, you? You was the one speaking. Straight into Eva's first. And that's looking quite tasty.
Oh, that's lovely, actually. Well done.
Sloppy. Just how I like it.
All the juices at the bottom will be nice.
That sounded like me this morning. Sorry. I know this is a food channel.
Yeah, well, no one's going to want to eat that now because you've just... Yeah.
Well, we've only got to rate it, haven't we, I suppose?
Oh, yeah.
Eva's put hers in the new microwave, why?
Yeah, because it's freezing cold because you keep making me record you. You're fucking annoying.
I can
Looks
see.
like it's in a disco.
It does. There was some steam coming off it, but never mind. Okie dokie. Yeah, let's have a little fucking go on this.
He wants to give it a go as well.
Yeah, panther.
Oh, that was so cute.
All right, we've got a nice.
Oh,
bit
there
of
is quite a lot of
mash.
steam coming off it. Maybe
Yeah,
I
there
won't.
is. It's very steamy, but Eva's put hers in the microwave.
It's all right. I
because,
won't microwave it.
She likes to complain.
Yeah, well, just feed yourself it and hurry up.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just okay.
Yeah, just okay.
Why is it just okay? Because someone fell asleep and forgot about it.
No. If it was... The beef's fine, it's just... I should have added more flavours to it, I guess. Yeah.
Overall a flop then. Overall a flop then. No.
It's still nice. It's just not like proper lovely stuff.
Right.
But, yeah.
Nice and hearty though.
Next time I'd make that, I would put it in the slow cooker for 7 hours on
Low.
instead of 5 hours on high.
Yeah.
And that'd be a lot better.
Definitely. I could have told you that if you asked me.
Well, we'd be eating it at about 9 o'clock tonight.
Anyway, can I eat mine?
No. She's just taken it out of the taken it out of the microwave and didn't even turn the microwave on.
I'm not finished.
What are you putting in there now?
Your dad's.
Do you know how to close the
No,
microwave?
I'm not finished. So can you just piss off
What,
at my face?
what else have you got to put in there? What are you doing that for?
I'm doing that because it's the new microwave and I want it to cover.
Okay.
Stop it now.
Go on then, take your food. Is it cold? Oh, I'm getting pushed now.
Yeah, because you're in my way again.
Go on then, give it a go. Let's have a little
You
wave.
don't be getting me in the face.
I don't want to get you in the face.
Ooh, that's been shredded really well.
That's a kebab. Go on then.
Oh, no faces.
I'm not putting it in your face. I was recording the cat, actually. Right, she's had a bite for anyone else who's wondering where that
Stone
went.
cold.
Stone cold?
Mm-hmm.
Pop it in the microwave then.
Tastes lovely though.
Oh, nice bit of kebab for you. I can't get your face in it,
No,
so
I'm
no
not.
one. So basically, what she was doing was putting her tongue out, looking like a weirdo. Oh, I could see your mouth then.
That's alright, you can see my mouth.
Okay.
Right, I'm finished. Yeah, it was lovely stuff.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. It is really nice. It's just, I think a bit more red wine and... Oh, right, that's enough now.
Well, it is. Go on, what do you think of it?
I just said it's lovely.
Thanks for watching. Eva say.
Thanks for watching.
No, properly.
Thank you for watching, man.